What's up, guys? Today I'm going to take a good condition antique lighter and I'm going to make it look like it's 100 years old. I'm going to make it look like it's growing a coral reef on it. The reason why I'm going to do that is because I think that most of the YouTube restoration videos you guys have seen online have been made in this way, and you guys just don't know it yet. You guys have been fooled. I'm going to show you how you guys have been getting tricked and how people that do restorations actually look for things that are in good condition and then make them look like they're in bad condition. This is a easier form of restoration than finding something that has actually been underground for 100 years or actually been rusting at the bottom of the ocean or on the beach or wherever it is. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove some of the internals on this. The reason for that is because I'm going to actually clean this off with some acid so that any sort of oil or surface residue uh, will not prevent the corrosion process that I'm going to do. So you can see that this is in pretty good condition, but it's probably like, I don't know, 30, 40 years old, but it's not ruined by any means. So, all right. Cool. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cotton out. All right, so I just finished taking out this cotton. It's a lot of cotton in that little lighter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it in this distilled sulfuric acid solution, and it should clean off the surface almost instantly. So let's see how. Oh, wrong one. All right, so this has been in the sulfuric acid for about, I don't know, 2 minutes or so. I'm just gonna pull it out and just stick it in some water. You'll be able to see that the coloring on it has already completely changed. It looks much more like a raw copper. And there's not really any grime on there or grease or anything. So I'll take this, stick it right here in some water. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make the secret aging formula. Basically, it's gonna be a 3-part mix. The first part is gonna be just regular ammonia. I'm gonna just put it in this water bottle. I'm about a third of the way up. This stuff smells pretty strong, so I like to get the lid on as quick as possible. Third of the way. Next up is white vinegar. Last but not least, lemon juice. All right, so that's about 3 equal parts. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this container right here and fill it up with wood shavings. This is going to simulate whatever object being buried, and then we're going to soak it in that solution, and we're going to let it sit for about 10 days. All right, so this goes right on top right there. what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a little bit of iron filings. This will give us some color variation, because when this copper or brass oxidizes, it's going to give us like some greens and blues, but this will actually give us a bit of like browns and reds. So I'm going to throw some iron filings on right there, maybe a little on the chain, like that. Not too much, just a couple spots. Okay. And cover the whole thing in wood chips. Pack it down a little. Now we're just going to saturate this whole thing with our solution. All right, now we just cover it. We'll wait 10 days and check back. All right, guys, so you're not going to believe this. This is after just 10 days sitting in that solution. Look at that. That thing is a work of art. That will give you a beautiful thumbnail. Perfect fake restoration. Nobody, look at that, that even broke off. Nobody would even think twice about that. Perfect thumbnail right there for your fake restoration video. Everyone's being scammed.